Welcome. Are you tired of getting constant notifications from a specific Facebook group? It can be super distracting, especially if it's a really active group. So, today I'm going to show you how to disable those push notifications in a Facebook group. It's an updated method, so let's get right to it. Okay, first things first, open up your Facebook app. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines. It looks like a hamburger menu in the top right corner of your screen, and tap on them. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and then select Settings. You're almost there. Under the Notifications section, you'll find Groups. Go ahead and tap on Groups. Here, you'll see a list of all your groups. Select the group that's been buzzing your phone a little too much. Finally, under the Push Notifications section, you can choose Off. You may also customize the notifications for specific groups by choosing options like Highlights Only Important Posts or turning them off completely. And that's it. You've successfully silenced the push notifications from that Facebook group. You can also mute a Facebook group temporarily for a set period, such as 24 hours, 7 days, or until you manually turn it back on. This is especially useful when you know the group is going to be more active for a while, but you don't want to be distracted. You can repeat these steps for any other groups that are sending you too many notifications. This way, you stay connected without getting overwhelmed. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.